This tutorial will show you how to create a transitional mask in Flash CS5.5. Start by adding the background. You can use either a picture or a drawing for this. If you are using a picture, import your picture to Flash, either to the stage or to the library. I like to use the library so that if the picture is deleted by accident, you don't have to import it again. Add a layer above the background for the mask. The mask can be created using either a shape or motion tool. In this tutorial, we will use the shape tween. Add your shape on the first frame you want it to appear by creating a keyframe using your F6 key on that frame. Draw your shape, then choose a frame further out in your timeline. On the same layer, press F6 to create another keyframe. You can either resize the same shape you have on this frame, or you can add a new shape, depending on the effect that you want. Next, click on the first frame for the shape you added. Go to Insert and choose Shape Tween. You should now have a green background with an arrow indicating the shape tween. Test your tween using Control and Enter. Next, we will extend out the timeline for the second shape, which will be the shape showing our background. Remember that in Flash, masks act like a window showing what is directly below them. You cannot have any extra layers in between the mask layer and the layer that you want to show. Now, make sure that your background layer is the same length as your mask layer. By right-clicking in the background layer frame directly below the last frame of your mask layer, and right-click and choose Insert Frame. Our last step in creating the mask is to right-click over the name of the mask layer and choose Mask. Test your mask with your Control-Enter. If you need to make any adjustments, you will have to unlock the layer you need to adjust first. Okay, the mask automatically locks the mask layer and the layer directly below it. That's the end of your tutorial for creating a transitional mask.